If you are looking for how to create line paper in MS Word, then keep watching the video. First, you need to click on the insert on the top menu bar and go to the table and click on the insert table. And here you need to number of columns. You need to mention one and number of rows. For example, I'm giving 20 rows and click OK. And now you can see that the both sides have line. So how you can remove that? Click on this four-sided arrow and right click and go to the table properties. Click on the borders and shading, and here you need to remove this line and you can see the preview here. Once you do that, you need to select the table and click OK and click OK. And now the magic is done. The line paper has been created. So if you want to increase the space between the line, so how you can adjust that, click on this four-side arrow and then on the right side you will see that there is a top right corner layout option. Click on that and here you can see that the height you need to increase if you want to. Here is 0.5 and also you can increase the width as per your need. You can also decrease it. So in this way you can easily make lined paper in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.